if liquid nitrogen, if I, you know when we did the cloud experiment, and it turned into that white cloud. So if I had one handful of liquid nitrogen, it would turn into 600 handfuls of that cloud of the vapor. So it expands a huge amount, an absolute huge amount. So Ryan's going to hold this test tube, and then I'm going to fill it with liquid nitrogen. Then we're going to put a balloon on top of it, and then we're going to see if it will expand, if the gas will expand enough to pop the balloon, just to show us how much it expands.
Liquid nitrogen is so cold.
It's so cool, eh?
It's so cold.
See, so it's catching the gas. So if I pour the liquid nitrogen into the balloon, and I hate this experiment.
Why?
It's my least favourite because I've got to hold a popping balloon. Oh yeah, I hate it. I really do.
Oh my gosh. That's loud. That's so cool.
So it absolutely shreds the balloon, right? So that was just a really small amount of liquid nitrogen. So, what we're going to do for our final experiment, this is our big experiment, we are going to, I'm going to pour liquid nitrogen into this bottle here. Okay? I'm going to fill it up to about here, and then I'm going to put the cap on. So it's going to trap all that gas that it's creating. And these bottles, if the car tyres that were on your car, they can take about 32 PSI. You don't need to know what PSI is, but it can take 32 of pressure. This can take 180. It takes a huge amount of pressure for it to burst. So I'm going to put the cap on. It's going to trap all that vapor. I'm going to drop it into the water here, and then we're going to fill this yellow bin up with ball pit balls.
Oh, it's going to explode!
Yeah, then it's going to explode. Right. So for this experiment, we need to know a few things. So for this experiment, we need to know a few things. You don't listen. Okay. So at the end of the experiment, stay where you are until I tell you that you can move. Okay. When I tell you to cover your ears, you need to cover your ears. This will be a big explosion. So don't put your fingers inside your ears. Just cover them like earmuffs. Okay. When I tell you to, you don't have to do it right now. Right. So you ready?
Yeah.
Because once we start this experiment, I can't stop it. Okay, it has to go on. So, let's do it. Liquid nitrogen. Oh yeah! So much good.
Will it explode the whole house?
Well, you know, I promise nothing. Okay, everyone ready?
Yeah!
Cover your ears. Everyone got your ears covered?
Daddy.
Keep watching it. So the pressure's building up. Awesome! Okay, now you can get up and help me collect the balls. So, the balls go in the collection and the big bin.
Go! Oh, that was cool. Yeah, that was so cool. That was amazing. It even broke some balls. It did?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, good boy. Thank you.